Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix suspended Instagram account. Recently, millions of accounts worldwide have been affected by the Instagram account suspended notice, which causes them to lose a substantial portion of their followers. Since most harm users acknowledge they never break the rules of the visual application, many people think there is a mistake on Instagram's end. In fact, the identical problem when logging on to the photo sharing application has affected millions of users. In actuality, you shouldn't worry about it because Instagram has already solved the issue. There are many accounts and their followers are slowly returning to life. There is an Instagram outage, which is why it has been happening thus far. Since the issue has been resolved, it is possible that it will be swiftly forgotten, but it's best to be ready for what's to come. As a result, you won't become alarmed if your following starts to decline. An explanation of the Instagram account suspended message is that maybe it's because of the application not updated or there's something that you need to fix. And it will be very easy. So how are we going to solve that? Go to Google web browser and type disabled Instagram account. So you can see here instructions on how to enable Instagram account, and you can see here the reasons why an account has been disabled. So in order to fix suspended Instagram account, go to Google web browser and type my Instagram account was disabled. Now you can see options here, but you have to tap the third one. My Instagram account was deactivated. It's the same thing. Okay, so once you tap this one, you just have to click yes and then send. After that, you have to provide basic information such as your full name. Also, you need to type your Instagram username, your email address, which country are you writing from, and please provide a copy of your government issued photo ID. So you just have to tap this choose files, go to gallery, and then attach your imported file here, and then check this I understand. And then after that, click send. Wait for the customer service team to respond to your concern and we'll tell you what to do next in order to fix suspended Instagram account. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.